Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are solving an easy interesting LeetCode problem number 1678, the goal Parser interpretation using C++. This problem is a great beginner because it helps you to practice string traverse, pattern mismatching and the basic simulation. So let's start solving step by step. We are given a string called command. The goal pressure work like G becomes G and the braces becomes O and the AL inside the braces become only AL. So our task is to convert entire command string into an interpreted string. Example like G, a string contains G braces and AL inside the braces. So output is GOAL here. So so this problem is actually very simple, but we just traverse the string character by character here. If we find Z, so add Z to the answer. If we find braces and the next character, and then we add O here. Otherwise, if we find AL inside the bracket, the we add AL here. We can use a loop and build answer string. This is a basically string simulation. Let's write a code here. We write our code here. So first we define a empty string. We define an empty string here. After that we write a for loop here. The int of I is equal to start on 0 and I a command dot size and I plus plus. In this we write our if condition here. if if of I command of I is equal to the G, so it becomes it is a concat in G answer. That's it. That is G. Okay. We write else another we write else if block for another condition. In this question we write our in this block we write our condition. Command of I is equal to the the braces, and we use AND operator here. Command of I plus 1. Command of I plus 1, that is equal to a AND bracket. That's it. We write here to answer concat into O. Okay. And that's it's become I plus plus iterate. After that we write else block. So that the answer is equal to AL, concat in AL. That after that I 3 here, and we write our return statement here. We write return. We run our code here. Okay. What is the error we don't write? Okay. Okay. Our test case were passed here. We submit our question. Yes, we submitted our question. The explanation of this question is that we created a empty string called answer. The then we loop through the command string. If character is G, uh, append G here. If it's find a bracket, so append O here and move on the extra step using I plus plus. Otherwise, it must be a bracket inside AL, append of AL, and skip extra three character using I plus is equal to 3. The finally return the answer here. So the complexity of this question is on. We traverse a string only once because it have on complexity. The space complexity is also an on because for sorting in a final interpreter string. So that's how we solve lead code problem number 1678, the goal based interpretation in a C++. If you enjoy this video, like, share and subscribe our channel, comment the next lead code problem. What do you want? Thank you.